this is a target with a reward risk ratio of 2:1. Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I'll talk about Solana price action by covering the technical charts. I have talked about it in my recent videos and I've told you if it crossed beyond $180, it will definitely cross beyond 200, and that's exactly happened. It reached a peak of $210, then declined, which is as per the price action I expected. So in this video, we'll see, is it going upwards or Solana is about to crash? Can it hit $300? Or it will go below 100 in the next month, which is in September and October 2025. So with that, let's start the video. Let's talk about Solana and study its price action and look at the technical charts to derive an analysis and see where to invest and of course when to put your trade and how to cash in at the right time. So we have to look at again the monthly chart first, which is our the long-term vision. And you can see here the token is actually kind of struggling after hitting $200. You can see this green lines, these single lines here. This means the token is struggling to cross $200 mark, the right over here. It has tried to do that 2 times, this month and the previous month, but then failed. But now this month is crucial because if it failed to cross $200 this month again, that means we are probably going down. Now we have to take a look at weekly chart and analyze, whose setup is very much clear. I think this is one of the best setups you can get in a crypto space, and that is about Solana. You just zoom out and just check this blue lines. The token is hitting the top resistance level, which is at $200, nearly $202. And let me just draw this particular arrow and show you right over here this particular line, and let me zoom in. This has a very big key resistance level. If I draw this line here, you have 1, then 2, then 3, then this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So lot of candles failed to go beyond this particular level, and the same story is repeating in this case. Now what does it mean? It means the chances of the token crashing back again is quite imminent, which means I can say that it has hit the $200 high, but now it's time for it to crash back down to again settle back before pumping up. So I can see from the candle right over here, let me just hide this particular trend line from the weekly chart, and now you see the clear picture. It is making a high test on a weekly. Now that is quite bearish. If it ends in the high test candle by the end of this week, which is like tomorrow, it is going to go down. That I'm quite sure of, and the price action can be observed like this. If that happens, clearly it will try to pump back again next week, little bit up, may test this yellow line and then go back down to this level, which is the level of nearly $150. And if it failed to do so, it can go down further, and what we are witnessing is going down to the level of $100, which is very much possible for Solana token. So clearly if you zoom out, you will check the chart, the history is repeating again. These candles are the proof. Once it struggle at this zone of $200, it probably try to go up or it probably crashes. And by looking at the candle structure, I can say it is ready to go down or crash in the next few weeks. So be it August or September, this is going to be a bearish run for Solana. So Solana is about to crash from $180 or $190 back to $120 or $100 in the coming month, which is in September and October, before actually rallying. So what I believe is the market squeeze is about to happen. It's going to crash. It is going to go down a little bit up, then crashing down to back to $100, then again surging beyond $300 in the month of October end or November beginning. That can probably happen because now the market is quite saturated. For the moment, retail investors are there, so they need to be removed by the big institutional investors, and when they do so, they crash the token. They take out profits, and when the market crash, they buy lows, which is at around $99 or $100. Then we'll see the super pump that will happen in the month of November. That is what my study is about the token, and of course this is about the weekly chart, and the daily will follow the suit. You will clearly see the set of stagnation. It is failing one time here, second time here, and of course third and fourth time here, all in 2025. So expect the token to crash back to $120 to the range of to the low of $100 this season, especially in September 2025. That is my view. What are your thoughts about this token? Comment below. Solana is a promising token, of course, but buying at the right price point is key. If I was a trader, I will put a trade here, which is shorting this token this week, by the end of this week. And of course, the target will be around $120 or around $100. This is a target with a reward risk ratio of 2:1. That's my study, and of course with that I complete my video. If you're liking my analysis, please press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon, and let's meet tomorrow in a new video, new content. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.